Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Ben and today I'm showing you this stunning 2005 Ducati 999. This is the first generation of the bike, as you can tell by the different swinging arm. The swinging arm on the later bikes were straight and black, and the slightly different front end, front fairing and so on. This bike has been upgraded to the S model front suspension, which is now Öhlins, but still maintains the original Brembo front brakes and the original wheels. It's a beautiful bike. It's been very well kept, very well loved, as you can see by the paintwork. No stone chips, no scratches, it's never been dropped. It's in really nice condition, perfectly original. It's not had a lot done to it. It's had some aftermarket lenses put on the front indicators and some aftermarket levers as well. Recent tyres, recent service, standard Ducati dry clutch, standard exhaust. You might want to change that, and we can supply an aftermarket exhaust at the buyer's cost. Seat cowl, tail tidy, all of that kind of stuff we can do as well. Come around the back, recent chain and sprocket upgrade. So we've got some Renfalls on there. They're in fantastic condition. That's a gold X-ring chain on there. As I mentioned, the tyres are in really good condition. Immaculate engine bay, as you can see. It's been really well kept. Previous owner, very fastidious in the way that he maintains his bikes. Got the original tank pad, both sets of keys, including the red key, which is the important one. As you can see in the top of the yokes there, we've also got the upgraded suspension. Clutch, it's not cable operated, it's actually hydraulic. And you can see the covers there are in very good condition. They're known to wear and to corrode, but these are in very good condition. Come down the side of the bike, once again you can see in fantastic condition, all original, completely unmolested bike. Very rare. These bikes are starting to appreciate, so this could be a very good investment for someone. So I'm going to go ahead and start the bike. It's a bit of an unusual process for starting these. There's actually a lever, which isn't a choke, but it actually increases the revs just for startup. You can see it just there, it looks like a choke. So what I'm going to do is just pop that on, and then with the Ducati it's just a single touch start and the revs will shoot straight up. Typical Ducati dry clutch rattle. I actually prefer an open cover on the side of these, but each to their own. Bike runs and rides beautifully. Must be seen. Come and have a look. You won't regret it. Happy to take any inquiries. Bikes all come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 6 or a 12-month warranty if you wish. We can arrange for delivery at the buyer's cost if you like, and we also give anyone that purchases a bike 10% off accessories and clothing indefinitely. So if you want anything with the bike, a tail tidy or anything like that, just ask and we'll give you a price. If you want anything after that, we can sort it out as well. Welcome any questions, any feedback, give us a shout, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.